My name is Abdurrehman. Welcome to back my channel. I am your instructor and today we are starting an exciting journey together. A complete Python crash course that will take you from absolute zero to job ready level. In this first video, we are going to install Python on your computer, set up your coding environment and write your very first program. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start coding like a pro. So if you're ready to begin your Python journey, let's dive it right in. Alright, let's start by downloading in Python. First, open any web browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use Edge, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. Now, in the address bar, type Python not or downloads, or you can see the link on your screen right now. This is the official Python website and the safest place to download Python from. Never download Python from random websites. Always use the official source. Once you are on the downloads page, you will see the big yellow button that says download. I am using Windows. You use any operating system like Linux, Ubuntu. So I am using Windows. I am click Windows, and this is stable version right now 3.13.9. This is the latest version of Python and stable and latest version for like Windows 10, Windows 11. So once are on the download page, you'll see this link. You can click this and the link Python is download in your browser. Python continuously updates, so the exact version number might be different when you are watching this, but that's totally fine. Just make sure you are downloading Python 3, not Python 2. Click this link button and the installer will start downloading. While it's downloading, While it's downloading, let me tell you Python is completely free and open source. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So no matter what computer you have, you can follow along. Okay, the download is complete. Now let's open the installer file. Now this is the most important step in the entire installation process. Listen carefully. I am already installed this stable version, so I don't think I need to download it. So I am just telling about. Now this is the most important step. Before you click install now, look at the bottom of these windows. Do you see the checkbox that says add Python to path? Make sure this box is checked. I repeat, make sure this box is checked. If you skip this step, Python will not work properly from your command line and you will have to reinstall it. So check that box and then click install now. Python is now installing on your system. This will take about 30 seconds, usually 30 seconds to a minute depending on your computer speed. Just wait for it to complete. Perfect. You will see a message saying setup was successful. Click close and we are done with the installation. The step 2 is verify installation. Now let's verify that Python installed correctly. We need to open the command prompt. For Windows users, press the window key, then type cmd cmd and open it. And this is the command interface command prompt. Here you now in the black window type exactly what I type. Python, sorry, Python version, and you see that my computer is already installed Python, so it showed that the stable version of 3.13.5, the latest version. And look at that, show this. Now let's check one more thing. Type pip version. Pip version. Pip version. And let's see that it takes some time after it's uh, tell me about you see that the version of Python 3.10 3 pip 12 21.2.3 pip perfect. Pip is also working. Now you might be wondering what is pip. Pip is Python packager manager. It likes a store where you can download and install thousands of free libraries. Want to work with data? Install pandas. Want to build websites? Install Django. Want to do machine learning? Install TensorFlow or PyTorch. Pip makes all these super easy. So congratulations. Both Python and Pip are now ready to use. Now technically you could write Python code in Notepad, but trust me, you don't want to do that. We need a proper code editor that makes coding easier, faster, and more enjoyable. The best code editor of Python and most programming languages is Visual Studio Code or VS Code for short. It's very powerful and used by millions of developers worldwide. Open your browser again and go to code.visualstudio.com. The link of this website I am in my description below. You will land on the VS Code homepage like this. Click on the big download for Windows button or Mac or Linux depending on your system. I am already download so I am don't click it. So the download is a pretty fast, just a few seconds. Open installer after download. Now open the installer file. The setup process is straightforward. Just keep clicking next and accept the default settings. You can also check the box says add to path if you see it, but it's not as critical as it was for Python. After installation complete, once it installed, click finish. After click finish and VS Code will automatically open. You see that it's open. The interface like this. Simple. Beautiful. This is VS Code, your new coding playground. And now we need to install one important extension to make VS Code work properly with Python. Look at the left sidebar. You will see several icons. Click on the extensions icon. Click on this icon. It looks like for squares. Type Python. You will see the official Python. Sorry. And see that it's working. And you see that Python. We'll see the official Python extension by Microsoft at the top, used by millions of developers. It has millions of downloads. Click on it, download. I have already downloaded, so I don't click on it. Click and then click install button. These extensions gives you code suggestions, error checking, debugging tools, and much more. It essentials for Python development. Already installation is done. Now let's write our first Python program. I'm close it. Click on file. I'm created folder. This is if you want to create a folder, you click this. And usually it provide a new folder name etc and type, but I don't want, so I don't create the folder right now. I want to create a file, new file, or just press ctr plus ctrl plus and control plus n, and it creates Python, not Python file, but created file randomly. So I created want to a Python file, so I click this button and type hello. Okay, you give it any name, but in Python we use .py extensions. Make sure it ends with .py. Like I am give this name hello. So in the last we type .py. So and choose save as. Let's name our file hello.py. Perfect. Now we have a Python file. Let's write our first line of code. Type this exactly as I type it. Print and in string we type hello world. Consider it suggests because I download extensions, but I type hello world, and you see that it's right. It's our first program. This is the most famous first program in programming history. The print function displays text on the screen. We want to display goes inside the parentheses wrapped in quotes. Now let's run this program. Look at the top corner of the VS. We'll see a play button, run icon. Click it and you see that the terminal is open and this file is going to running. And you see that our first program is run successfully, and there its hello world is displayed in the terminal below. You just wrote and run your very first Python program. How awesome is that? You are officially a Python programmer now. I am tell you the common issues and fixes usually occur every operating systems like Windows. I am tell about. So now before we wrap up, let me quickly address some common issues you might face so you don't get stuck. Issue 1, Python is not recognized error. If you open command prompt and type Python version, but you get an error that says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. This means Python was not added to your path. The fix simple, just uninstall Python, restart your computer and install it. But this time make sure you check that add Python to path box during installation. That's usually all it takes. Issue 2. Python is not working. Sometimes people does not work even though Python is installed. If you type pip version and get an error, here's what you do. Open command prompt as administrator. Right click on command prompt and choose run as administrator. Then type this command python am ensure pip upgrade. I am for your simplicity type python am ensure ensure pip upgrade and run it. But I am not run now because I have already working fine. So this is installation processes. This is the very common we said that errors coming occur. Pip is not working. I am tell about hit enter and this will install or fix pip for you. In the next video we going to discuss what is actually pip and modules. If you don't see the run button in VS Code, make sure your Python file is safe with .py extension. Also make sure the Python extension is installed and enabled. You can also run your Python manually from the terminal inside VS Code. Just type this program and it will run program. If you face any other issues, don't worry, drop a comment below this video with your problem and I or someone from our community will help out. We are all learning together. All writers are the most common issues covered. And that's you are successfully install Python, set up VS Code and return your very first Python program. Give yourself a round or you have take the first step into the world of programming. In the next video, we are going to dive into Python basics. We learned about variables, data types, how to store information, how to do calculations, perform, and how to write programs that actually do something useful. And we discussed the modules and pips. So if you enjoy this video and want to continue this journey with me, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon notification so you never miss a video from the series. Remember, this is a complete course from Job Ready. By the end of this series, you are confident enough to apply for Python developer jobs, build your own projects, and maybe freelance. I am super excited to have you here, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Until keep coding, keep learning, and stay patient. Goodbye.